TYO-300B Desktop Selective Soldering Machine. Universal Fixture Suit for PCBA or Pallet. PCBA Max 350 by 250 mm, also can custom Z for different requests. High Precision Control. Japan imports of fog spray method, optional Germany imports of point shot method. Mode variety, distribution uniformity, and precision. The device uses nitrogen to the solder joints local heating. The equipment tin furnace 13 kg soldering furnace has self-developed mechanical pump furnace and imported electromagnetic pump inhalation can choose to ensure the stability of the wave. Motion control system is highly accurate and stable. The use of high-precision servo motors to achieve accurate positioning of the X, Y, Z axis. Electrical control system parts are all imported Omron, Schneider, and other well-known brands to ensure system safety and stability. The software is completely independent research and development. Selective wave soldering, special software, anti-dull operation of professional software, intuitive interface, convenient parameter setting, a variety of programming modes, can store a number of groups of procedures, real-time monitoring, apply to new energy, aviation, military, energy storage, security, LED, and other lines of widely used. If you need, you can contact us. We will be happy to serve you.